I apologize, the ladies. From now on, you will hear me and you'll see what I'm doing and what I'm talking with the teacher. And please also, the ladies, to interfere in any moment when something is not clear, or if I should explain something, or if you need from my English and Arabic translation. Okay? Lady Rim?
Yes, it is clear.
Yes, it's clear.
But can you please, just when you write, that the writing would be clear, large, enough for us to see when on the board?
To draw, maybe to write at the table large enough to be seen by you.
Yes, please.
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
So, first of all, I want to tell everybody that I know you personally, and I appreciate you as a very good physics teacher. So, the problem, what do you want that I begin? About your way of teaching, seen by me. Good thing, begin, or bad thing? What do you want? I want to tell you that last year I have prepared children from your school. So I saw the weak points of your teaching, and I saw also the high points of your teaching. And I want to share with you my experience. What do you want that I begin? With weak points or with strong points? With weak. Of course, step by step, but are two categories with weak points. First of all, when you are studying physics with your pupil, I live with the impression that physics is finished after mechanics. Because they know mechanics very well, but already electricity and thermodynamics very low, and electromagnetism, nuclear physics, atomic physics at all. That's a problem. That means you are most used to work with them with mechanic problems, then the rest. Another problem, I was always looking at the kids who are working with me. At the beginning, they are staying without taking notes. They are looking at the presentation like at the movie. You understand? So it's a habit. It's not only because they are in the preparation for IFO. It's a habit. They are staying, they are not taking notes. And they are looking at the presentation. Maybe it's too much made a presentation by slides. For that, I refused to make you the presentation by slides. Even I have the slides. Maybe in the third day, I will present you some physics program made by me for teaching mechanics, for example. And I show you computer program for this. How close they are to the child. Understand? The third point, and this is because of lack of education. They don't know to arrange their result in the page. You are not working with the kids to make a clear solution on the page. Every time when I am speaking at the beginning with the kids and I give a problem, this is a good point, they are very smart. They are solving, they take the computer, make calculation, show me number. Number doesn't mean nothing. A solution with a number could be accidentally the same number. A number without unit of measurement means nothing. On a number, you cannot extend the problem. On a number, you have the problem on the specific point, and that's all. You have to think that, of course, this is a kind of translation. In America, they use the same as you are using. They are doing very much with number. Everything is with number. And even with this number, the people are making computer calculation or hand calculation. So what is their gain? They know to push some button. It's nothing. Even that, you have to think about the Olympic. This year, the Olympic will be held in Estonia. Estonia is a former Soviet Union, former state from Soviet Union. They are working only algebraic, only with letters. They won't give numbers. They will be given numbers only in the final stage to verify. So, for improving your students, first, you have to teach them some simple things. How to arrange the information on the page. To write all the solution correct. To put number only in final equation. Then you will improve the level. This was...
Dr. Sandu?
Yes?
Yes, please. We have a problem with the translation. People are not following. So can I ask you your permission? Every 10 minutes you stop, and I just give a brief thing in Arabic.
Please, Lady Rim, when you want to stop, say me stop.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
With pleasure. The good thing is that you have a very, very smart kids. You cannot imagine how smart kids you have. I was working with them hours. And sometimes I think that they are fulfilled. They cannot receive more information. I was wrong. 4 months and a half, I work with them daily. 4 hours, 4 hours and a half, 5 hours. And you know what's in physics. After 2-3 weeks, if it's no time for sedimenting, the information change. I thought my job is for nothing. No, it's not true. They were as smart as I couldn't believe. The second good thing is the next problem. When is a teacher good? The teacher is good when his pupil arrive to be better than the teacher. And this is your proof when you are asking which child is good for Olympiad. A child which arrives at your level is good for Olympiad. And the child who is over your level is your fulfilled mission as a teacher.
Okay, can I just take a few minutes?
Okay.
طبعا في الأول هو بدأ يعني يتكلم عن الاستراتيجيات اللي يمكن تكلمنا عنها سابقا إنه الطالب يقرأ المسألة كويس، لا يعوض إلا في الخطوة الأخيرة، لا يعتمد بس فقط إنه الناتج اللي يطلع له من الآلة هو يطلع، ولازم إنه هو يسأل عنه. بعدين دخل يعني وقال إنه هو من خبرته مع طلبتنا في العام الماضي، طلبتنا أذكياء جدا. هو كان يقعد معهم كل يوم، عندهم 4 ساعات تدريبية في المساء لمدة 3 أشهر. فكان يقول أنا كنت أتوقع ساعات أنهم خلاص ما حيقدروا يستوعبوا أكثر من كذا، لكن عندهم كان المقدرة يعني العقلية اللي استمرت يعني كل ما يغذيهم هم متعطشين لأنهم يفهموا أكثر. قال أيضا إنه إيش المعيار اللي إحنا نقدر نقول إنه إحنا مدرسين صرنا كويسين أو مدربين كويسين أو لا. إذا وصل الطالب إلى مستوى يقول يعني سر نجاح المعلم إذا كان الطالب أصبح أفضل منه. فإذا إحنا قدرنا نرفع هذا الطالب فهمه ومستواه زي فهمنا ومستوانا، فإذا هذا الطالب مؤهل إنه يروح للأولمبياد، وإذا كان أحسن مننا فهذا يعني تمام شيء رائع. فإحنا يعني وظيفتنا أن نرقى بهم ويصدقون. يعني أنا يعني يمكن بس أضيف على اللي هو اللي قاله يعني المدربة الأمريكية اللي جاتنا العام الماضي قالت لي في المخيمات التدريبية عندهم الناس الأغبياء هم المدربين، الطلبة أحسن منهم. وهذا مو عيب، يعني احنا بالعكس احنا نحفز ونقود وكذا. فحتى لو وصلنا هذا الشيء انه الطالب صار احسن مننا بالعكس هذا فخر يعني لنا. Okay, can you continue please, Dr.
Thank you. The last thing I want to say before beginning the problem is that in the final 3 of the kids were as good as I was. And sometime I was wrong on the table and they tell me you are wrong there. You have not done correctly there in the final after 4 months and a half. That could be done with any kids. You have smart kids. Okay, Dr. Rim, you can translate that because I began the problem.
فيقول إن هو بعد ما خلص 3 أشهر 3 من الطلاب اللي كان يدربهم يقول صاروا فعلا مستواهم حسيت زي مستوايا، وصاروا هم يقولوا لي لا أنت غلطت في الشيء الفلاني وأنت ما انتبهت لهذا الشيء الفلاني، فكانوا هم يعني اللي يعدلوا عليه. فإن شاء الله بالتدريب نستطيع أن نحن نوصل للشيء اللي نبغاه. Okay, thank you, Doc.
Thank you. So, when you see, I didn't prepare any slide, and I am here hearing what is the presentation before me, and I adapt my program after what you have done in the morning. Okay? So today you have done uniform movement with constant speed. So, okay? And vector calculus, of course. This is very simple. So I'll do with you today problem in this field. If you want that tomorrow I do something, of course, tomorrow I'll be here hearing what are you doing and take my program after you are doing it in the morning. But if you have a special topic that I want to present, I will. Okay? This will tell me after I finish. So the problem is, I am in front of the students and I have to teach that students to solve problems of constant motion. Okay. They are not teacher. They are maybe in the 9th class. They are at the beginning of the physics. How should I teach them? I do 100 problem, or it's enough to do some problem? Of course, I cannot do 100 problem. I have to do some problem. Yes? But with some problem, I have to teach this kid to do any problem. So, I am in front of the kids. So, Dr. Rim, you may translate.
طيب هو يقول إنه جلس اليوم في الجلسات اللي في الصباح، وكانت المواضيع اللي تم تغطيتها اللي هي الحركة بسرعة ثابتة والمتجهات. فهو من خلال هذه اللي تعرضتوا عليه اليوم الصباح هو اختار المسألة بحيث تكون في هذه الجزئية. لكن يقول إذا أحد عنده أي موضوع خاص يحب إنه هو يعني يتحدث فيه أو يسوي فيه مسائل، فممكن إنه تبلغوه يحضرها للغد، وغدا حيحضر برضو معاكم في الصباح يشوف أنتوا إيش غطيتوه. فهو سأل سؤال يقول كيف أستطيع إني أنا أدرب طلابي؟ طالبكم في أولى ثانوي أو في ثانية ثانوي. قال في طريقتين، يا إني أنا أعطي له 100 مسألة، يا إني أعطي له بعض المسائل. فأنا ممكن أعطي له 100 مسألة وما حيكفيني عندي الوقت إني مثلا أعطي له 100 مسألة. إذا لازم أنا أختار من المسائل اللي أستطيع، بس إنه هو لو حل عدد قليل من المسائل لكن أستطيع إني أوصل وأعطي له كل المفاهيم اللي يعني يقوم بها.
So, usually when I do uniform movement,